Hello guys, and welcome into a new driving episode, this time from a temporary ride, a Renault SCENIC, which will be my daily driver, hopefully for just a few days until my car will be painted. It's nothing major. Thank God nothing was broken. It just needs some paint job, and that will be it. So until then, I will drive this. I have no idea what the specs are, but judging by the red line, this should be a petrol engine, a gasoline engine. Hopefully it will not be a diesel, but I will check the fuel tank before I will top it off, because I must take it back with a full tank and perfectly clean. But it has a 6-speed manual Renault SCENIC, God knows from what year. We see this digital display. It looks interesting. It also has navigation and keyless entry, if we can call it like that, just with this key card. And also a start and stop button, push button. I need to go right now and check the tire pressure. This car really has a higher pressure in the tires, because also it's so large. You can see it, it is really spacious, but also the ride height is really high, and the tires are winter tires. Right now we have, you can see, 39 degrees in the sun. The actual temperature should be a bit lower, but still this is the sensation. And I wouldn't trust this car higher than 135 kilometers per hour on the dashboard. So in reality, maybe 125 kilometers per hour on the GPS. So without any further ado, let's put it in reverse and drive. Also, it doesn't have any parking sensors. So I really have to be careful with it. It drives, I must admit, it feels better than my car from the gear shift point of view, from the way it drives. For sure it has more power than 75 horsepower. But yeah, you can imagine this is a car that has been abused for sure. It has all 149,000 kilometers on the dashboard, and it has seen better days, since it's a car used by the insurance company for its clients until their cars are repaired. You see that the dashboard there is damaged also, but yeah, it's so hot. I will have to put the aircon on the max. And what can I say? It feels that I'm driving my my sofa, my bed. This is the feel. But yeah, it gives you a safer feeling due to this ride height. It accelerates better than my car, let's say okay, but it's nothing impressive. Again, when I reach 120 kilometers on the dashboard, even 110 kilometers, everything starts to rattle, and even my seat shakes beneath me. I don't know what's up there. The carpet on my side was always hooking the clutch pedal, and I had to take a look at it. It wasn't secured into place there. Yeah, it pulls really nice. Now in the fourth at 100, things start to shake. And of course the winter tires, especially on this heat. The steering is all over the place. But yeah, this car should just need a bit of love and attention, and for sure it would be a great car. But in these conditions, aside from the fact that it's clean, yeah, it's not so great. But you know, since it's free, just the fuel, I have to top it off again. It's all good. We see now we're having 29 to 30 degrees actual sensation, but of course after this speeding section of road. Let's see another acceleration right here. Six speed is really really nice on the long run, but yeah, I really have to be careful with the steering wheel. It feels like this. From this point of view, my car is superior for sure. This doesn't feel like it stiffens up when you drive faster. The aircon again has seen better days. I don't know, the gear shift is positioned way further compared to how my feet are. Cooling needs should need a refresh in this car. Sorry for the noise, but it is hot like a MF up in here. Holy cow. I'll try to make it quick. So 2.4 bar on front, in front, and 2.3 in the rear. Let's see what we will get. Oh my. Okay. The AC wasn't turned on. I'm a noob. Now it is. Let's see what the pressure is in these tires. The battery died on me, so this will be the end. In front it had 2.6 on both sides, really well. On the left rear side 2.4, and on the right side in the rear it was only at 2, so that only that will needed to be inflated a bit. Now the AC will work. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I wish you all the best. Stay safe, and I'll catch you in the next episodes, most probably with this car for a few days. Take care wherever you are. Bye bye.